I wanted to show y'all something that I share with a lot of entrepreneurs and a lot of sales leaders that I coach. They always seem to be having more projects and more things to do than they can handle. And so one of the things that I refer them to is the Getting Things Done method by David Allen. And if you've seen me speak, you've probably heard me talk about this. But I just want to show you proof that I've executed at least at the beginning of the year and gotten the in tray down to zero. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that means you haven't read the book. And if you struggle with productivity and organizing things and achieving certain goals in a certain time frame, you need to get it. And so as you look around my office, this is my office space. I've decluttered everything so it looks really clean. A cluttered office leads to a cluttered mind. And when I'm here, I need to be really creative. When I'm out there speaking, that's me executing the things that I've sold and working with my clients. But when it's time to be in here, I need that kind of clarity to be productive. So for me, it's a combination of clean office, following the rules in this book, and getting that in tray down to zero every single week. I'll let you know how it keeps going, but we started off the year right. Happy selling, fam.